amigos, welcome to the Spanish Playhouse. Today we're going to be learning about the ocean animals. Let's go. Aquí estamos, under the sea. Let's meet our ocean animal friends. Repeat after me. Bajo el mar means under the sea in Spanish. Could you say that? Bajo el mar. Muy bien. Our first ocean animal is la tortuga, which means turtle in Spanish. Tortugas are slow and graceful creatures. Can you say tortuga?
Tortuga.
Fantástico. Now let's meet our next ocean animal, el pulpo. It means octopus in Spanish. El pulpo has 8 tentacles. Could you say pulpo?
Pulpo.
Muy bien. Did you know that la estrella de mar means starfish in Spanish? Estrellas de mar have 5 arms. Could you say estrella de mar?
Estrella de mar.
Perfect. El pez payaso means clownfish. El pez payaso lives among sea anemones. Sea anemones are like pretty flowers in the ocean that have long tentacles and live in the water. Could you say pez payaso?
Pez payaso.
Our next ocean animal is el delfín, dolphin. Dolphins are friendly animals that love to play and jump in the water.
Delfín.
Whales are huge and make beautiful songs underwater. Could you say ballena?
Ballena.
Good job. Now we're gonna go to the aquarium. I heard there was a sirena there, a mermaid there. Let's go. Come on. Okay, here we are. We're at the aquarium. We're gonna be a mermaid today. You know how to say mermaid in Spanish? Sirena. Let's look around at other basins. Mantarraya, stingray, bass, fish. We're gonna touch a mantarraya. Medusa, jellyfish. We're gonna meet a sirena. We just met a mermaid and it was very fun. She told me she swims in like the Caribbean and Atlantic water area, and we're very, very, very excited. Leon Magno, Zebra. Are you excited to see los penguinos? Do you know what penguinos are? Penguins! That was so much fun looking at all the sea creatures at the aquarium. Now let's do some sea creatures coloring. I got this coloring sheet. Remember, if you want to color with me, this is in the link below. We have a ballena, a pez, a estrella de mar, and a pulpo. Let's start. Thank you so much for learning the ocean animals with me. Till next time, bye!